Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to everybody for 2009.
Mr. Mayor, they said, we can't afford a fireworks display in a recession. And I said, food. I said the people of London will want to show the world, above all, that we know how to party, and we do.
Hello everybody, I'm Michael Caine and I want to wish you a very, very happy New Year.
My New Year's resolution is help someone because, you know, it makes you feel good. So, very happy New Year everyone. Have a great night. God bless. Mwah. I kiss you all, every one of you.
Make sure you respect others in 2009 and respect yourself. And make sure you always believe in yourself. You want it to be a positive year. Good luck. Take care.
Happy New Year. Hey! Hey!
Happy New Year!